Hey there, and welcome back to Filmora Basic for Beginners. And for this lesson, I'm going to go through titles. Now, in one of our previous lessons, I've taught you how you can add text, right? In this one, I'm going to show you how you can add titles and edit titles. Now, Filmora has a wide variety of already preset created titles in their library. We will be using those and we'll be creating our own titles as we go as well in our videos. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, I've opened up a new project over here, and I will go ahead and make so that each and every single video here is about let's say 6 seconds each. There you go. This one as well. I'm going to place this so that it's 6 seconds each. And this one as well, so that it's 6 seconds each. There you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some transitions into them between all of this. So I'm going to give a warp zoom transition and then play it out to see if the transitions look good or not. That looks good. Case for this one, this looks good as well. There you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and use titles and show you how you can go and create titles as well. So you can drag and drop it. As you can see, the titles are over here. So if I were to place this over here, it's going to download and place it. Now this is a basic title, so I'm going to first show you how titles work. So if I were to play it from beginning, as you can see, the title is over there. So let's just keep it very simple. So there's a very simple title over here. We do not want this. Let's go ahead and see what titles we have. So we have that one. We have this one. Then we have a subtitle as well. For titles, you have the social media subscribe over here as well. This is a bit animated. So as you can see, social media. This one as well. It's a bit animated. Now this one looks like a very good and animated title. Now this one here as well is a good animation title. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one as our title bar. And then I'm going to go ahead and reduce it down to, let's say, 2 seconds. And if we were to play it from the beginning, I see it fast forwarded and it came up. And then it's going to go out like that. Now 2 seconds seems a bit too short, so let's keep it at 3 seconds. So there you go. Now let's put it into 3 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and play. It looks much more better. Now the subscription bar over here, I do not want that. So I want to go ahead and let's say I use the subscription. It's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce it down to 3 seconds as well. Place it over there, and at the end, I'm going to play and see how it looks like. There you go. I can go ahead and select this, select everything over here. So let's go ahead and edit our titles now. So I'm going to go ahead. This is the lower title on top, and this is the bigger title in the middle over here. So I'm going to go ahead and move this and edit our first title over here. So the title here should be, let's say it's Lamborghini. So let's go for Lamborghini. Showcase. There you go. This one, I'll just move it back so that it fits perfectly. There you go. Then this is the name of your channel. So let's say Car Z is the name of your YouTube channel. Let's say you're making this video for YouTube. Now you put this as a YouTube. Now let me go ahead and add some effects to it. Let's try to keep it very simple. With this looks better. I'm going to go with that. And for this one, I'm going to go with, let's say, this gradient over here. That looks perfect. And if we were to play it from beginning, as you see, that looks very wonderful. And now let's go at the end. So social media name, it's RZ. So Z. The social media producer is there. So I'm going to go ahead and change this one's name. Let's say the producer's name is Alfred Gonzalez. Let's just keep that name there. I'm going to place it right over there. I'll just zoom in a bit so that I can place it uniformly. Let's say I want to keep it right over here. Just move it over there. Let me just move it over here. There you go. Grab both of them together and place them right at the middle over here. There you go. That looks much more better. Now I'll just zoom out. Now I'll just play from the beginning so you can see how it looks like. Or better yet, let me do another edit version, or another edit. Zoom in again. Just going to place this right at the center and place this right at the center over here. There you go. Now I'm going to zoom out. Now I'll play it and show you how it looks like. There you go. That looks better. And if we were to play it from the beginning, Lamborghini Showcase Car Z. Now let's try to add another title in the middle over here. Okay. Now we have also another title like this. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. And it's downloading, so let's wait for it to get downloaded. And that has been downloaded. I'm just going to drag it, drop it over here, place it right on top of here. Now, as you can see, this one also has a background to it. So you can put this title as an intro to it, but you can also do one thing. You can also have like a effect to it or a transition to it, or you can also put like, let's say, right click on it, or you can change the opacity of it. So underneath transform over here, you have the scale, compositing. You can add compositing to it. So you can add a linear dodge, soft dodge, or anything normal. So let me create this as a background. But before that, as you can see, this is our title over here. This is our transformation tool over here. So underneath video over here, I can go for, let's say, the blend mode, darken, multiply, color burn, linear dodge, lighten, screen, color dodge. Let's go for color dodge. So once color dodge is there, now I can go ahead and play it. As you can see, it has a unique effect to it as well with the color dodge over here. So you can also have that kind of uniqueness to it as well. You also have this, put your text over here. You also have this, you also have this, as you can see, as a title. You also have this one as well, lower third. You have various forms of titles here that you can go ahead and use to see how they all look like. Okay, so you have various subtitles, you have VFX text, you have end credits as well for endings. You have Easter, you have popular, so you have credits here as well that will show up every name. Let's say you have a large team. Okay, let's say you have a large team and you want to credit everyone, so you can go ahead and add the credit name over here. Like, for example, if I were to place this like right at the end, I can go ahead, select this, go over here, and have credit name for everyone over here as well. But we do not want that for our project now for this one. As you can see, we have now completed our video with everything already placed over here. And that's how you can use the titles. There are various forms of titles over here that you can go ahead and use. I'll be showing you how you can go ahead and use the titles to create a unique video in one of our class projects later on. But for now, that will be all for this lesson, and I'll be seeing you in our class projects onwards.